a bit very special care. In the last session we had a discussion. In the last session we had a discussion about have you remembered, right, sir, how to remove spaces, sir, in the string, how you can remove spaces in the string, we covered already, right? Okay, sir, what the important things what you people should aware clearly, right? Okay, sir, now what is a string, what is a string, we covered already. What is the string? String is nothing but a sequence of array. String is nothing but a sequence of characters within single quotes or double quotes. Are you getting? Within single quotes or double quotes. Okay, like even triple quote symbols also happily you can use if you want to define multi-line string literals. If you want to define multi-line string literals, happily we can go for triple quote symbols, right? Sir, there is another advantage is also there. Here within the string, if you want to use either single quote or double quote as the symbol, either single quote or double quote as the symbol, then automatically we can use triple quotes, right? Sir, we covered very clearly all these things, right? Next, and after that, how to access characters of the string. There are two ways are there to access characters of the string. What is the first way, sir? Can you spell out what is the first way? By using index. Second way is by using slice operator. What is the behavior of slice operator? We covered already, right? Next, and after that, sir, now membership operators we can use for the string. Sir, which are membership operators, right? In and not in and not in membership operators we can apply. There are some mathematical operators we can apply, sir. Mathematical operators we can apply. Sir, can you spell out which are mathematical operators, right? Plus operator you can apply, star operator you can apply. Plus operator meant for concatenation, star operator meant for repetition operator, right? Sir, plus operator meant for concatenation, star operator meant for repetition operator, right? Remember that, okay? Sir, now plus operator if you want to apply, both arguments should be string type. Star operator if you want to apply, one operator should be string type, the other operator should be int type. Okay, that's all. Next, after completing that, even we covered about a bit very important, what is the length function, what is the length function we covered. Next, and after that, comparison operators also we discussed, sir. Okay, how to use less than or equal to. Next, and after that, do you know greater than or equal to, like this we can. Sir, next, double equal operator, and then not equal operator, how they are going to work, sir. Sir, very important question we discussed, right? What is the difference between double equal operator and is operator, right? Sir, can you spell out what is the difference between double equal operator and the is operator? Anyone can you please tell, sir? What is the difference between double equal operator and is operator? Double equal operator always meant for content comparison. Is operator meant for reference comparison. Remember that, sir. Is operator meant for reference comparison. Can you explain with an example? I hope everyone in the classroom should be in a position to explain with an example, because we covered already, right? Next, and after that, one more important point we discussed, sir. Have you remembered? I want to remove spaces from the string. Sir, the spaces present in the string I want to remove, sir. To remove spaces present in the string, what we require to do, sir? There are some methods are available. What were those methods, right? L strip. Are you getting L strip? Next, and after that, R strip or R strip. Next, and after that, strip method, right? Sir, what is the difference between these three methods, right? Anyone can you please tell? L strip, R strip, and the strip method. L strip always going to remove the spaces. Present at the beginning of the string. Are you getting right? At the beginning of the string, if any spaces are there, L strip is always going to remove the spaces. R strip is always going to remove the spaces which are present at the end of the string. Next, the strip method will remove the spaces present at the beginning of the string and present at the end of the string. Remember this one, where we require to use this strip operator, where we require to remove these things I explained very clearly, right? Okay, so that's all. Up to this we are not required to discuss, sir, because we covered already in the last sessions, right? Okay, now, sir, what is the next cinema we require to discuss, right? What is the next cinema we have to discuss, man? Okay, sir, Now, do you know? I want to find the. I want to check whether the given substring present or not. Regarding, I want to check whether the given substring present or not. Sir, present or not. That's about my requirement, right? So to check whether the given substring present or not, sir, what is the sir methods we have? We have find the method is there. Remember this one, sir. Find the method is there. What is the second one, sir? Index method is there. Remember this one. Find method is there. Index method is there. R find method is there. R find method is there. Next and after that, R index method is there. Regarding R index method is there. Sir, some people may ask the question, sir, to check whether the given substring present or not. For that, membership operator you can apply. Yes, ma'am. Vedante Vari. Membership operator you can apply. Membership operator is always going to tell, yes, is it available or not available. But my requirement is where it is available. Regarding where it is available, that's about my requirement, right? Okay, what is the index? What is the index? Where it's available? I want to find. Sir, find our index. Where this one is available, I want to find. Then happily we can go for. Okay, sir, these are four methods, right? Can you spell out to find the substrings? What is the topic we are talking, sir? Finding substrings. Finding substrings. Whether the given substring is available or not. How you can able to find, sir? These are the four methods what we have. What is the first one? Find method. What is the second one? Index method. Third one, R find, R index. Then immediately you ask, what is the difference between? Sir, these two methods. Regarding what is the difference between these two methods and these two methods, right? Sir, what is the extra thing that came between these two methods and these two methods? What is the difference? Only one character is the difference. Have you observed, right? What is this one? Sir, R. Only one character added. That R character means that reverse. Remember this one. R means what? Reverse direction. R right hand side. From right hand side onwards. Sir, suppose I have one string is there, sir. Assume that Durga. Sir, Durga. Next and after that soft. Durga. Soft is there, sir. This is about my string. Remember, this is about my string, sir. Now my requirement is, sir, this is yes, sir. Assume that this is the yes, sir. Okay, this is yes like this. Sir, my requirement is, I want to check soft is available or not. Are you getting right? I want to check soft is available or not. This is about my requirement, right? Can you please tell soft is available or not? Respond, man. Soft is available or not? Available. Good. Soft is available, sir. Sir, where soft is available? At what index soft is available? Can you please tell? So here, if you observe that where it's available, sir, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you getting that? What is the index of this one? Fifth index. Index is always starts from 0. That's why where is available, sir? Fifth index, soft is available. Sir, one thing. Next, here also soft is available. But find the method or index method. Always going to return the index of first match only. Are you getting? Returns the index of first match only. Remember this one. Sir, where it is available? Where it is available, sir? Can you spell out? Where, at which index it is available? Fifth index, right? At which index it is available? Fifth index. Starts from, sir, left to right. Remember this one. Left to right. At which index place this one is available? Fifth index place. Sir, if you find the, just I'm taking print off. Yes, sir. Find off soft. Happily, we are going to get 5 as the answer. Remember that, sir. Everyone can able to understand? Yes, ma'am. Sir, please. Everyone can able to understand? Not required to keep much explanation. I hope everyone can able to understand what is the purpose of find method. to check whether the given substring is available or not. If it is available, what is the index of first occurrence? If you want to know index of first occurrence, then we can go for find method, which is available in the available in the string, right? This is the method what we have. Okay, well, suppose I'm trying to check, sir, Geno is available or not. Regarding Geno is available or not. Okay, remember this. Sir, Geno, is it available or not available? Not available. If it is not available, then we will get, can you please respond, sir? If it is not available, then we will get, what is the value, sir? Then we will get, respond. If it is not available, then we will get what? Yes. Then we will get what is that? Is -1, not false. Here true or false is not there. We are not going to get error also. Simply it is going to return what? -1. Okay. So do you know this total thing is behavior of find method. Remember this one, sir. This total thing is behavior of find method. If you know first method, sir, automatically, do you know, it is going to tell. If you know first method, it's always going to tell that the remaining things are very easy. Remember, first try to understand first method. Okay, to find whether the given substring is available or not. If it is available, what is the index of first occurrence? If you want to know, then we should go for what? Yes, dot find method, right? Okay. If the specified substring is available, then it returns only the corresponding index. Right? If it is available, then it's always going to return the corresponding index. If it is not available, then it's going to return what? -1. Sir, remember, don't feel -1 is nothing but index of last character. Sir, it's always going to, if it returns positive number, it is available. If it returns -1, then it's not available, right? Okay, always going to talk about positive only. Remember, clear? Array, up to this is the clear? Sir, only I'm talking about find method. I'm not talking about index. I'm not talking about R find. I'm not talking about R index, sir. Only first method, right? Okay. 1 minute, sir. Let me cross check. 1 minute. Let me cross check here. Here, I hope you people may aware test.py. Okay. Test.py. Here I'm taking, sir. Sir, S is equal to Durga soft, because already known example I'm taking, sir. Already discussed thing. Sir, print of S dot, what is the method? Array I forgot. What is the method? S dot find soft. I'm trying to find. Okay? S dot find of soft. Can you please tell what is the answer by default you are going to get? What is the answer by default you are going to get, sir? Remember that. Okay, remember that. What is the answer by default you are going to get? Yes, 5. Perfectly, as per our discussion only, it's working. Shubham, it is the 5. Index of first occurrence. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Index of first occurrence is nothing but 5 we are going to get. Excellent, sir. Now, sir, I'm trying to search something like a genome. Are you getting? I'm trying to search something like a genome, like this, right? Sir, then automatically, what is the output by default you are going to get? -1. Clear the functionality, right? That's all what there inside, man. Very simple. Hey, can you please tell? Okay, is it available or not? If it is available, what is the index of that? If it is not available, then returns -1. Okay, that's all. Sir, now Janacharya is raising a big doubt, man. Index starts with 0 or 1? Janacharya, why you are getting at this time, man? This doubt? Index starts with 0 or 1? Index always starts with 0. Remember this one. Index always starts with 0, but not 1. Remember, make sure. So, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth index is nothing but like this. Okay, starts with 0, like this. Now, my question is, sir, find method is very clear for you people, right? Sir, don't worry about that. Okay. Next, here, just observe that. What is the R find method? Okay, find already we covered. Find already we covered, sir. What is R find method? R find method. R find method is always going to search. Is always going to search from in reverse direction or from right to left or getting in reverse direction. So now observe in reverse direction. Soft is available at which index? Very dangerous point. Take more special care, sir. Soft is available in reverse. R means what? Reverse. Take very special care. More concentration must be required for you people, right? Okay, where the index by default available? Can you please tell, sir? Observe a bit carefully about this one. Observe a bit very carefully about this one, sir. Now even you are trying to use R find. Even you are trying to use R find, sir, the index, if it is matched, it is always going to return positive index only. Don't tell -1, -2, -3, -4. Even you are seeing from the last, but it's always going to return positive index only. Remember that. Can you please tell what is the positive index, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So where it is available, sir? 14th index onward it is available. R find method is always going to return positive index only. Remember that it is not a negative index. If it is not available, even R find case also, we are going to get what? -1. Remember that. Okay. So R find method is also going to search in reverse direction, but returns positive index only if it is available. Clear? Are you able to understand? Okay. I hope you people are able to understand, right? Okay. Sir, now let me take. Sir, yes, sir, dot R find. Yes, dot R find of Durga. Sorry, of soft. Soft I'm taking. What is the answer I'm expecting? Can you please tell? Just now I told. What is the answer I'm expecting, sir? Can you please count once? Maybe my count maybe. Can you please count? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14th only. Are you getting that? 14 only. Yes, correct. Okay. Now R find. What is the output by default we are going to get, sir? Last one. Can you please cross check, sir? What is the answer by default we are going to get? 14 only. 14 only. Clear, right? Home. Are you able to understand? Okay. Yes, sir. Now here take a bit very special care, sir. There are two times soft is available, but find method or R find method, it is always going to search only first occurrence. Find a method in the forward direction, R find method in reverse direction. Remember this one, sir. Only one occurrence, only first matched thing only it is going to return. Remember that. Okay, that's all. Now here just a bit special case, sir. Now yes, sir, dot R find of sir Genu, something like this I'm taking. Yes, dot R find of Genu, something like this I'm taking. Sir, then automatically, sir, what is the answer by default we are getting? -1, because it's not available. That's why -1 by default we are going to get. That's all. Onkar, can you please give any string? Which one you want to search? Yes, man. Any other example? Can you please any other example you can take? Yes, here just I'm taking learning Python is very easy. Like this I'm taking, sir. Learning Python is very easy. This is about my string. Sir. Now I want to search for one character, whether it's available or not. I have to set print of yes, sir, dot find of I'm taking. Yes, dot find of I'm taking. Can you please tell? Find the method is always going to search from left to right. Left to right only for the first match. Can you please tell where A is available? Here. Sir, even A is available in multiple places, right? Here is available. Next and after that, here also available. Are you getting? Here also available. 1 minute, sir. Here, let me take A also. Let me take A also, right? Sir, now here it's always going to search. Here A. Here 2 is the answer I have to get. Can you please cross check, sir? Yes, 2 itself is the answer. Don't keep any doubt at all. Next, second one, sir. Sir, now I don't want find. I want to use R find. I want to use R find. R find. Can you please tell from the last here it is. Sir, what is the index of this one? Index of this one. Maybe a big number by default you may get. Sir, because 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, 5, 5, dot, dot, dot. Okay, some big number by default you are going to get, sir. Okay, what that number may be 30 or otherwise 27, something like we are going to get. Are you getting right? 35, 35. Sir, from the last it is available here. Yet what is the index of that is nothing but A. Suppose I am taking Z, sir. Suppose I am taking Z I am taking. If I can take Z, how many times it is available, sir? Do you know? Sir, not available, -1. Everyone can able to understand? Are they respond, man? Are you able to understand, right? Sir, find method or find method? Clear, right? Then we should go for, sir, index. Yes, Om, you are having some doubt. Can you please paste? Yes. What is your doubt? Can you please type? Yeah, Om. For that, sir, I mean, you want to find all words means all occurrences, correct, right? Om, your requirement is all. Oh. Om, can you please tell what your doubt? Yes. How many? Yes. Every the words 2 times. I didn't get you. Om, can you please? What your requirement? Sir, how many times? Sir, each, how many times? Even if it's available multiple times, can you please tell each occurrence I want? Correct, right? Is it your doubt? Each occurrence, sir. A is available. There are 5 or 6 times. Sir, I want to find all occurrences. Sir, default method support is not available. Remember this one. Default Python not having default method, direct method, but we require to write the code. Yes, I will explain how you can able to write the code. Don't worry about that. Okay, that's all. Next, you can find anything, sir. Anything you can able to find, no problem at all. Suppose I want to find A. What is the answer we are going to get? Is it available or not? Naresh, A. Is it available or not? Yes, available. Sir, from here 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, dot, some number by default we are going to get. Okay, some number, maybe some 15 or something like, I don't know, 19th index is available, right? Okay, next, any other doubts? Yes, sir, if you want you can find space also. Some people are asking about space. Yes, here I am searching for space. One space is available here, sir. Yes, what is the index of that space, sir? Yes, 8th position. Okay, that space character by default is available. Clear, right? Okay, that's all, sir. Now let me go for next level. Okay, here we have some other find option is also there. Forget about index method. We are still in the find only. So if I can provide dot find of substring. Find of substring. It is always going to search from left to right. Total string is going to search. But returns only first occurrence. Correct, right? It's always, sir, if it is not there, it's going to scan total string. But now my requirement is, I don't want a total string, man. I don't want total string. From 2nd index to 10th index. From 2nd index to 10th index. Sir, this A present. Sir, what is the first occurrence of A? Here observe that. Dot find out substring. Which substring you want to find? From which index to, sir, which index? Are you getting that? Begin to end. Like, sir, now take a bit very special case, sir. Sir, in this range only, begin to end -1 range only, Sir, I want to search. Begin to n minus 1 range only. I want to search. Then automatically we can go for which method? Find the method. Find this is substring, right? I hope everyone can able to understand. Sir, find the method you can use only with one argument or three arguments. Find method is also available, right? Sir, just observe that learning here. Just have a look once, sir. I'm taking here Durga soft, okay? Durga, sir, soft, something like this I'm taking. Sir, now 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From the fifth to some 15th index, how many times A is available? Can you please tell how many times A is available, sir? Oddly, 1 or 2 times. Sir, I want to know this index, right? This index, right? Sir, just observe A. Default, by default, it is always going to search from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth index is already there, sir. Fourth index is already there. Now it's going to tell that, sir, 4. I don't want in the 4, sir. Okay. Now I'm using the word, sir, fifth index to some 10th index. Oh, fifth to 10th. Fifth to 10th means, is it available, sir? Is it available? Can you please search? Fifth to 10th. Is it available? A is available? Check, man. 5. Here just a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. Is it available? No. Then automatically it is going to tell that -1. Everyone can able to understand, right? -1. Okay, like, sir, it is available. Yes, sir, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Like, sir, now 15. 5 to 15. Then automatically it is going to tell that, yes, at the 13th index, A is available. So, sir, make sure how the find method is going to be is implemented, sir. Sir, yes, sir, dot find of only substring you can provide. Only substring you can provide. Sir, it's always going to search from begin to until first occurrence. Begin to until first occurrence. Okay? If the occurrence is not there, complete string is going to scan, sir. But yes, sir, dot the substring. Yes, sir, dot the substring I'm taking. Sir, here begin to end. Yes, not substring. Begin to end. Only in the specified range, it is going to search for that. Next, the same rule is applicable for R find also. Clear, right? Same rule is applicable for R find also. Like this, right? Excellent. Not required to keep any explanation about this terminology, right? Okay. Sir, even more time also not recommended to spend. Make sure, sir. Then index method. Index method is the same, sir. No difference at all. No difference at all. Suppose if I can ask, yes, sir, dot index. Yes, sir, dot index of A. Sir, in this range, where is the A is available? Where is the A is available? At 13. Sir, are you able to understand, right? Whether you are using find method or index method, am I getting the same thing or not? Index method is exactly same as find method only. Okay, but where is the difference? Why two methods you should have? Okay, here there is one specialty is there. If specified substring is not available, if the specified substring is not available, what we are getting in this case the answer? Yes, ma'am, respond. In this case, if the specified substring is not available, what we are getting? In this case, can I spell out, sir? In this case, what thing by default we are going to get, sir? -1. Correct or not? If the specified substring is not available, in this case, we are going to get, okay, value error. Are you getting right? Value error we are going to get. That is the only difference. Except that no other difference between, sir, find method and index method. Make sure, sir. Okay, index method and find method exactly same. Okay, make sure exactly same, sir. Okay, now take a bit very special care. But only difference here is okay. If it is not available, then we are going to get error. Let me cross check. Okay, don't worry about that. There are some people are having the doubts. Just 1 minute. Let me continue our explanation first. Okay. Here just observe. Sir, I'm trying to search for Z. Can you please tell either Z is available or not? Yes, ma'am. Either Z is available or not? Not available. Find a method is always going to return -1. But now let me check. Let me check. Am I getting value error or not? Oi, respond each and every person. Can I get a value error or not? Yes. Remember this one, sir. We are always going to get value error. That is the only difference. Except the no other difference, right? Sometimes in my programming, hey, compulsory the specified string should be available. If the specified substring is not available, something goes wrong. Something goes wrong. Okay? Immediately stop the program by raising error. Sometimes I may have such type of requirement, right? I may have such a type of requirement, then happily we can go for what? Index method. Remember that. Then we should go for index method, right? But if you, sir, it may be available, may not available. If it is not available, no problem, sir, return -1. If you want that, then we should go for what? Find method, right? That's all. Everything is the same. Clear, right? Yes, man. Are you able to understand? Suppose your mail is there. Mail is there. Mail ID compulsory should contain @ symbol. Compulsory should contain @ symbol. By mistake @ symbol is not there. It is not mail ID, man. Rise error. Rise error. Stop the program execution. Then you require to use which method? Index method. Index method. Array not may not contain. Even it's not contain also. No problem. Just a return -1. Don't raise any error. Don't raise any error. Then we should go for what? Find a method, right? That's all. This is what you people should be aware. The difference between, okay, the difference between find a method and so on. Okay, like, sir, the remaining cinema is the same, sir, except that no difference at all. Sir, here, find a method, how you are using substring. Sir, here, yes, sir, dot index, same rule is applicable. All these 4 methods are available even in the case of index also, sir. Remember this one. Even in the case of index also, all the 4 methods are available. Okay, index of begin. Next and after that, what is this one, sir? R index. Next R index like this. Clear? Yes, Divya. Are you able to understand? Yes, all the methods are exactly same. No difference at all. Only difference between find method and the index method is only one word difference. What is that word is? Sir, find the method. If the specified substring is not available, then we will get -1. But index method, we are always going to get value error. Beyond that, nothing, sir. Okay, that's all. These are the things what you people should aware, right? Okay. Now, here just observe that a small chota example. Let me talk about this index. But before that, yes, let me go for that. What is my doubt here? Sir, very simple example, sir. S is equal to input enter main string. Enter main string. Can you please enter the main string, sir? Okay. Next and after that, sub yes. Regarding substring, right? Input enter substring. Enter substring, sir, which is required to search. Enter substring which is required to search. Next, what I want to take is just observe that. Try. Here n is equal to s dot what is the method? Index of sub s. S dot index of sub s. Sir, here sub s. What I require to take, sir. Okay, here except which one we are going to get, sir? Value error, sir. You people may get the doubt, sir. What is the meaning of this? In the exception handling, I will discuss. Don't worry about that, sir. Here, if any problem is coming, then automatically except block is going to execute. Don't worry. In the exception handling, we will discuss just the basic idea purpose. Just I'm trying to use, right? Okay. Now I'm taking print of here substring is not found in the main string. Substring is not found in the main string. Now else I'm taking legend this one. Else I'm taking if there is no exception, then only else part is going to execute. Else substring found. else substring found, like this I'm taking, sir. Have you observed? Are you in a position to understand this code? Yes, man. Yeah, the people who are coming from other languages very easily they can able to understand. For the remaining people, just the syntax is called exception handling syntax. Remember this one, sir. The syntax is called what? Exception handling syntax. While executing this line, if you are getting any exception, then automatically except a block is going to execute, sir. Okay, if value error is coming, then automatically execute this one. If there is no error, then automatically execute this part. Are you getting? Sir, in Python, else you can use everywhere. Else everywhere you can use, no problem at all. Okay. Next, why I am using n here? What is the return type of index? What is the return type of index? The return type of index here, sir, into value. That's why I am taking some n. Of course, I am not using. That's why I am taking n. Okay, like now have a look once. Enter main string. Okay, Durga soft. Okay, Durga soft, like this I'm taking. Enter substring, sir. Soft I want to search it. Then automatically substring found or not? Yes, substring found. Okay, well. Now enter yes, Durga soft. Next and after that Durga soft, like this I'm enter substring. Enter substring, then automatically I want to search for Geno. Okay, is it available or not? Substring is not found in the main string. Yes, man. Are you in a position to understand? Yes, perfectly. Is it working or not? Yes. Okay, this is syntax. Okay, the people almost 90% of the people can able to understand the syntax, because 90% of the people are coming from other languages like Java. Okay, so make you can able to identify the new members whoever there. Can you spell out? Sir, I don't know anything about this programming. Is it the first language like anyone there? Sir, I'm learning this Python in the first language. Yes, Naresh, Chandan Kumar, any other person? Nirmal Kumar, Surya, Aditi, any other? Vikas, Mallikarjun, yes, Kishore, okay, Suresh, almost around 5 to 6 members. Make sure, sir. What it means is, sir, the syntax is called exception handling. Okay, there is a beautiful concept is there in any programming language. Wonderful concept is the exception handling, sir. Sir, there I will discuss. What will happen is, sir, here if an exception rising, earlier have you observed, right? My program got terminated. My program got terminated by raising that error. Are you getting? It is abnormal termination. Okay, if you don't want abnormal termination, then we should go for exception handling, graceful termination. I don't want to miss anything, exception handling. In Python, exception handling concept we can handle by using try block, except block, next and after that finally block, else block. Okay, like four things are there: try, except, else, finally. Like there are 4 things by default available. Okay, that part by default we will discuss in the next session. So don't worry about that, sir. So now take a bit very special care. Next here, even though Geno is not available, but I never going to get any error, because if a value error is coming, can you please print this one like we showed, man? Like we showed. That's why if you handle exceptions properly, then the program is always normal termination only, but not abnormal termination. Clear? Okay, the new members also something like okay, thoda. Sir, we are getting something like try, except, next else, like we are getting something like, sir, don't feel, Shubham Agarwal, don't feel, sir, it's always only one way. You can write in multiple styles also the coding. Okay, even else part also not required. Directly here I can able to print substring found. Okay, here without else part also. Here directly I can write the substring found. Then I can able to remove. Sir, in that case also definitely it's going to work. Don't worry about that. Okay, enter Durga soft, okay, Durga soft like this. Sir, can you please search for that? Yes, a string found. Are you getting? Sir, Durga soft like this I'm taking. Can you please search for the string Genu like this? What is the substring not found? It's going to work, sir. Sir, when the else part is going to execute, all these things in the exception name we will discuss. Onkar, sir, not now. Exception when the else part is going to execute, we will discuss all these things in the else part. Don't worry about that. Okay. Next, here see when the else part will execute. One line. If a try block executed without any exception, then only else block is going to execute. Remember that Onkar. If there is no exception in the try block, then only else part will be executed. Clear? Okay, that's all. Sir, just my intention is just the remaining people also just familiar with these kind of things. Okay, just try except there is some concept is there in the next level. Okay, like sir, clear? Yes, ma'am. If you want, you can able to print n value. If you want, you can able to print n value here. If it is available, then it's going to print. Then only it's going to print like this. If you want, you can, the people who require index, comma n. If it is available, so on so place, it's available. If it is not available, then automatically substring by default. Substring by default like this, right? Clear? Up to this? Next. Sir, Onkar, you are asking some doubt, man. Okay, last, that's all. This is about, sir, what is the fine index like this, right? Sir, what is this doubt is, can you, 1 minute? Onkar, what is your doubt? Om. What is your doubt, man? Can you please cross check, sir? What is his doubt here? S is equal to omi kosalge. Omi kosalge om. Print S not find getting wrong index. Can you please observe kosalge? Is it available or not available? Is it available or not available? Available, right? Yes, it's available. It's available. Then where it's available? Here R. R means, sir, here 0, here reverse, causal gauge is available here. Yes, from the reverse or from the beginning, it's always the same. From the reverse or from the beginning, it's always same. Sir, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, what is the index, right? 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 itself is there. Okay, now let me take. Sir, causal gauge compulsory here. You have to take this causal gauge inside the single quote or double quote. You are doing that thing, it seems. Yes, Om, are you able to understand? Yes, sir. That is the mistake what you did, I hope. Now you can able to do that. No? Sir, no difference at all. Here just have a look once. Have a look once, sir. That's all. This is about my first line, second line like this. Sir, observe third index. By default, we are going to get. Okay, that's all, sir. Sir, this is about what is index function. What is the index function. Next and after that, what is the index. Next, find what is the difference between these two things, right? Sir, now there is a small chota example I want to talk, but how many people can able to understand? Just have a look once. More concentration must be required, sir. My requirement is, sir, write a program to display all positions are substring in the given main string. Substring in the given main string. Sir, can you require to search everywhere, sir. You require to search everywhere. How many times the total word present, sir, at which places that is present, that thing must be required. Clear? Are you able to understand? Someone already asked this doubt. Sir, I don't want only first one. All occurrences I want to find what I require to do, sir. Okay? Sir, now the code is the same. Now more concentration must be required, sir. More concentration must be required. Observe that. Enter main string, enter substring. Then enter main string and enter substring. Just take a bit very special care. Flag is equal to, here I am taking flag is equal to sir minus 1. Observe that, sorry, flag is equal to false I am taking. Assume, sir, at last you can able to understand what my intention, right? POS is equal to -1. I'm taking some two variables, right? What is the meaning of each variable? Just within a minute you can able to identify. Next, flag is equal to false, POS is equal to -1. N is equal to length of S. N is equal to length of S. We require to take, sir. Take a bit very special care. Sir, how many variables I took, sir? 3 variables. What is the flag? What is the flag value? False. False. Next, POS is equal to 1, -1. POS is equal to 1, -1, -1. Next, here what I am taking, N is equal to length of S. Okay, like that. Next, while of true I am taking. Can you please tell how many times this while loop is going to execute? Keep on executing. If you are using break statement, then only it will be stopped. Are you getting right? If you are using break statement, then only it will be stopped. Correct, right? Sir, now take a bit very special care. Sir, POS is equal to S dot find of. POS is equal to S dot find of. Sir, can you please find sub S? From which index onwards? POS plus 1 comma N. Sir, can you please search until end from POS plus 1? What is the POS value? What is the POS value? Respond, man. What is the POS value? -1. -1 plus 1. What will happen? -1 plus 1. What will happen? 0. Now, after this also, if a POS value is -1, if POS is equal to -1, what is the meaning of that? Sir, after this also, POS is the -1. What is the meaning of that? Can you please tell? What is the meaning of that? Not found. Immediately, can you please break? Immediately, can you please break, sir? We are not required to continue. Sir, now, if POS is not equal to -1, what I have to take, sir? Print. Okay, found at index POS. Found at index POS, and then flag is equal to true, sir. Sir, flag is equal to true. We are making that. Okay, true. Now, this cycle by default will be repeated. When I will come out of that is, if a POS is equal to -1, is this condition satisfied? Break. Then only I will come out of the loop. Okay. Next, what is the next one? Here, observe that. If a flag is equal to false, print not found. Just observe that. Almost, sir, 15 to 20% of the wickets are down. 15 to 20% of the wickets are down. Sir, with this example, don't worry. Keep on listening. At last, you can able to get, sir. First, let me check. My functionality is going to be satisfied or not. That's all. So, if you are going to learn first time only, then what is the specialty of Python, man? Okay, that's why just listen first, and then I will trace with one example. Then you can able to understand very easily. Okay, Divya, I hope are you able to understand, right? When, sir, why I am taking flag variable? If a flag is equal to false, okay, like still if the flag is equal to false, then print not found. Are you getting right? Okay. Now let me cross check, sir. Let me cross check first. It's going to work or not? Sir, enter main string. Durga soft. Is it available or not? Oh, sir, I want to search for soft. Is it available or not? Respond, man. Is it available or not? Yes. How many places is it available? How many times is it available, sir? 2 times. Now, can you please tell? Sir, found at index 5, found at index 14. Found at index 5, found at index 14. Is nothing but 2 times. 2 times it's going to come. If you want, I can take one count variable and I will print that also. Don't worry. Now, here, enter main string. Enter main string I'm taking. Here, just observe a bit carefully, sir. Enter main string. Sir, ABC, A, A, B, A, A, B, like this. This is about my main string. Now, can you please search for A? Can you please search for A? How many times A is available? Can you please search? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, how many times A is available, sir? 7 times. If you want, can you please observe? At 0 at the place it is available, 3rd place, 6th place, 9th place, 10, 12, 13. Are you getting right? Sir, this is what you people should be aware. First question, are you able to understand this code or not? Yes, man? Forget about code. Forget about code. Forget about code. Are you able to understand? Sir, my requirement is the clear? Array requirement is the clear? Now let me go for sir coding part. Just a matter of 2 minutes. I won't take much time. Don't worry about that, sir. I won't take much time. Don't worry about that. Here, just assume that my requirement, my string is sir A, B, A, B. This is about my main string, sir. A, B, A, B. I want to search for A. How many times it is available? Like this, I'm trying to find. So now, flag is equal to false. Safe side, why I am taking false here? Sir, if it is not available, then to print the, okay, not found like this. Sir, POS is equal to -1, okay? N is equal to length of S. Sir, what is the length of S? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N value is the 5. While of true. So, first time POS, S dot find of, sir, substring, POS plus 1 means -1 plus 1. What about its value? Array -1 plus 1. What about its value? 0. 0 to 5. Oh, can you please search for this substring from 0 to 5? 0 to 5 means 0 to 4th index. Can you please search? Now, sir, if POS is equal to -1, no, sir, no, because it is already available at a 0th index. Now the POS will become 0. Sir, position 0 position is available. It is not equal to -1. That's why found at index 0. Excellent. Okay. Now the flag value is the true because at least one match is there. Flag is the true, sir. Okay. Go for next iteration. Okay. S dot find sub S comma POS plus 1 because already we searched until this one. Now we require to search from here onwards. That's why POS plus 1. What is the current POS? 0. 0 plus 1 means 1. So from 1th index to until end, now I require to search. From 1th index to until end, A is available or not? Yes, it is available at 2nd index. Now POS will become 2, sir. Now the POS will become 2. Sir, if POS is equal to -1, no. Sir, print found at 2, sir. POS value is the 2. Now flag is the true. Once again go for. Now S dot find sub S POS plus 1. Now already 2. Up to this we searched already. Now 2 plus 1 3. Now onwards search 3 to 5. 3 to 5. Can you please search? Now already there at the 3rd index. POS return type is the 3. Sir, it is not -1. Found at the 3. Found at 3, sir. Now, sir, continue, go for once again. Sir, POS is equal to S dot find sub S POS plus 1. POS plus 1 already find. Now, can you please search for 4th index onwards? 4 to 5. 4 to 5 means 4 only. It is not A. That's why we are going to get -1. If POS is equal to -1, break. If POS is equal to -1, break, come out. Okay, come out. Sir, if flag is equal to false or true? True, because already at least one match is there. That's why it is not going to execute. Thoda. Are you able to understand? Kunchum thoda. Yes. Okay. So make sure, sir. Thoda or pura? Yes. Om, don't worry, don't worry. Sir, just Om, can you please tell where you required? Where you required? Om, can you please? If you required anywhere, sir, this part like, sir, we require more explanation in this area. Like if you have, I will concentrate more. Can you please? I will explain one more time. Don't worry, sir, because there are some people, new members. We have to catch them also. That's why. Just 2 minutes. I won't take much time. Yes. Because while why we are taking, sir, this cycle will be repeated until keep on until we are getting -1. If no more match is there, then only we will get -1. If we are getting -1, then break is there, you will come out. That's why it is keep on, continue until -1. If anywhere you are getting -1, then automatically break, sir. Then automatically break like this. Okay, so for that I am taking how many times? I don't know the number of times at the beginning. That's why keep on executing. Keep on executing. Sir, how many times it will execute, sir? Sir, until getting -1. -1 means what? No further match. If no further match, break, come out of the loop. Yes, Om? Are you able to understand? Okay, well. Aditi, which line you want? Aditi, which line you require? 7th line. Observe that. Yes, not fine. Yes, not fine, sir. Here just have a look once. My logic is, sir, this is the big code I have, sir. This is the big code I have. A, B, C, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. Next and after that, B, A, something like this is there. This is about my code. I want to search for A. From the beginning, zero index onwards, I have to search. Sir, I found matched. Next time, I require to search from where? From here onwards. We are not required to start from 0 index onwards. We require to search from where, sir? From this place onwards. Are you getting? Sir, like we are keep on until this we reach it. Next time, we require to search from this position. From the next POS plus 1 means, sir, always where you find a previous match, A. Sir, now you require to search from the next position onwards. That's why I'm always taking POS plus 1. Clear? Sir, why I'm taking POS plus 1? Every time you connect 0 to n. If you are taking every time 0 to n, it's always keep on searching from the beginning. My loop never going to stop. Correct or not? Are you able to understand? Right? Yes, ma'am? Yes. Okay. Now take a bit very special care. Sir, if a POS is equal to -1, when the POS will become -1? -1, if a further match is not there, if no more match, what is the need of continuing? Immediately break statement is going to execute. Break statement, what will happen, sir? Come out of the loop. Okay, still flag value is the true or false. If the flag value is the false, sir, this no, at least one match also not there, still it's the false only, print not found. Okay, that's all. So the new members, okay, especially take a bit very special care. Okay, it's not that much easy example, don't worry, sir. The remaining people also, after explaining, the remaining people got the new members. If you pleasant the mind, just take trace, then you can able to understand very easily. Don't worry about that. Are you getting? Yes. Okay, that's all. Sir, here just 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Still some people. Just one complete example, complete trace I'm going to take, sir. One complete tracing I want to take. Just observe a bit carefully, sir. Here, legend this a bit carefully. Only one minute. You are not required to take much time. I won't take much time. Just aware. Only 1 minute. Sir, I'm taking. Assume that My requirement is, sir, main string is ABC, 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 ABC. It is there, sir. Now I want to search for ABC, or otherwise I want to search for Z, Z, Z. Oh, observe a bit very carefully, sir. Sir, this is my string. This is my string. I want to search for Z, Z, Z. Okay, well, sir, S is this one. Sub S means this one. Sir, flag is equal to false. Okay, POS is equal to -1. N is equal to length of S. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, like 12 is the length. Okay, while of true, while of true. Sir, POS is equal to S dot find the sub S. POS plus 1 means already -1. -1 plus 1 means 0 to 12. 0 to 12 is a Z is available anywhere? No. Then what is the value? -1. Because find method, what is the value? -1. If it is -1, break, sir. Break. Immediately come out. Now, what is the flag value? Flag value, break. Flag value is still false. Still false only. Because this line is not executed. Remember, still it is the false only. If it is the false, not found. If it is the false, not found. Are you able to understand? Yes, ma'am. Up to this, is it clear? If it is not available, are you able to understand, right? Now, just observe that. Here I am taking ABC, 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 like this I am taking, sir. Okay, ABC, ABC, like. I want to search for ABC. Now listen a bit very, very carefully, sir. ABC like this. Sir, now flag false, POS is equal to -1, N is equal to 12. N is equal to 12, sir, because 12 characters are there. While of true, normal while loop is going to execute. POS is equal to S dot find the sub S. S dot find the sub S, comma POS plus 1 N. Sub S value means ABC. POS plus 1 means 0. Already -1, 0, 0 to N, 0 to 12. Sir, 0 to 12, anywhere you are seeing ABC? Yes, man. At a 0 at the place only. At a 0 at the place only. I saw that. That's why immediately, sir, it value will become 0. 0. It is not -1 because it is already available. Now found at 0. Found at 0. Now POS value will become 0. 0. Once again, flag is equal to true. Once again, while loop. POS is equal to S dot find the sub S. Once again, sub S. Once again, ABC. POS plus 1. Already 0. 0 plus 1 means 1. Because already we matched. You have to search in the remaining only. You require to search in the remaining only. Remember this one. So now in the remaining, it's available. Observe that. If it is available, now the POS will become 0, 1, 2, 3. Now POS value will become 3. 3. Once again while loop. 3. Sir, now onward, POS plus 1. 4th index onwards, you require to search. Okay? Every time, remaining string only is always going to search. What is the output by default you are going to get, sir, is where it is available. Like, are you able to understand? Yes? Are you able to understand, right? Okay, that's all. Don't worry much about that. The new members are just a trace, then automatically you people can able to understand, right? Okay, that's all. Sir, just I'm stopping the session. Tomorrow we will meet for the continuation part.